of speed reading, a death, desire, and incapacity. In our lost chapter, we have considered life from the point of view of the material existence and appearance and working of vital principle in matter, and we have reasoned from the data which this evolutionary terrestrial existence offers. But it is evident that wherever it may appear and however it may work, under whatsoever conditions, the general principle must be everywhere the same. Life is universal force working so as to create, energize, maintain, and modify even to the extent of dissolving and reconstructing substantial forms with mutual play and interchange of an overtly or secretly conscious energy as its fundamental character. In the material world we inhabit, mind is involved and subconscious in life, just as Superman is involved and subconscious in mind, and this life instinct with an involved subconscious mind is again itself involved in matter. Therefore, matter is here at the basis and the apparent beginning. In the language of the Upanishads, Prithvi, the earth principle, is our foundation. The material universe starts from the formal atom at such charged with energy, instinct with the unformed stuff of a subconscious desire, will, intelligence. Out of this matter, apparent life manifests and it delivers out of itself by means of the living body and the mind it contains imprisoned within it. Mind also has it still to deliver out of itself the Superman considered its workings, but we can conceive a world otherwise constituted in which mind is not involved at the start but consciously uses its innate energy to create original forms of substance and is not, as here, only subconscious in the beginning. Still, though, the working of such a world would be quite different from ours. The intermediate vehicle of operation, that energy would always be life. The thing itself would be the same, even if the process were entirely reversed. But then it appears immediately that as mind is only a final operation of Superman, so life is only a final operation of the subconscious, of the consciousness, the force of which real idea is the determinative form and creative agent. Consciousness, that is force, is the nature of being, and this conscious being manifested as a creative knowledge will is the real idea or Superman. The supramental knowledge will is consciousness, first rendered operative for the creation of forms of united being in an ordered harmony, to which we give the name of world or universe. So also mind and life are the same consciousness force, the same knowledge will, but operating for the maintenance of distinctly individual form in a sort of a demarcation, opposition, and interchange in which the soul in each form of being works out its own mind and life as if they were separate from the others, though in fact they are never separate but are the play of the one soul. Mind, life is in different forms of its single reality. In other words, as mind is a final individualizing operation of the all-comprehending, all-apprehending Superman, the process by which its consciousness works individualized in each form from the standpoint proper to it and with the cosmic relations